In this video, I will show you how to enable page layout tab in Microsoft Excel. So as we can see, we have this Microsoft Excel, and here's this tab page layout. Here you can select size like A4. You can see the print area. You can clear print area, or you can set print area. So select firstly some cells, and here now click on this set print area. So this particular part will be selected and it will be available to print. Same here, you can change portrait, landscape. You can add or remove margins. So as we do a page in layout in Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, so same settings we can apply here. Also you can change background from a file. So select any picture. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.